Hi, I just want to shoot a quick demo video to show you how to use the Ultron app. So in this video, I'll be covering how to create a new campaign, how to view existing campaigns, configure your email settings if you have a professional edition account, and how to find similar pages. Now, please note that some of these features will be an upgrade, so please make sure that you have access to them. Now, to create a new campaign, you head over to the new campaign page and you need to watch this video to figure out how to get your session ID. And once you have your session ID, you set it over here, and then you enter a name for your campaign. For example, let's go with motivational pages campaign, and let's say you are going to search for motivation pages. You click start. This will take a while. Wait for it to finish. Once it's finished, you will be redirected to the campaign details page. Here you can edit your campaign name, delete it, export it as a PDF, or export it as a CSV file. Now, over here, depending on the plan on the edition you have, you will be able to uh, send a one-click email using your Gmail integration. Note that it is only for the professional edition, or you'll be able to find similar pages that are related to this main page. If you click on find similar pages, you'll automatically be able to find pages that are similar to this one by exploiting the similar pages API. So this means you can dig deeper and find more relevant pages. Now, if you go to the view campaigns tab, you can see all your existing campaigns over here. Okay, now email settings is for professional edition only, but all you have to do is connect your Gmail account first. Choose your account, uh, proceed because the app isn't verified yet, allow, and you will be connected. And here you can type in your subject, the email you want to send to your uh, businesses or, or Instagram pages. So you just type in the content and you're done. You need to hit the save email content button and you're done. Okay, this is the find similar pages tab. Here you can just enter in a username and a campaign name, and here you should enter an Instagram page name, okay, which means it will find pages that are similar to that specific page. And you have your Instagram posts over here, your traffic templates depending on whether you bought it or not, and you can edit your profile, change your password, update anything you want over here. And if you want to generate a new password, just click on generate password, type in your new password and click update profile. And if you need help, just head over to the support tab and enter in your details and hit submit this issue, and we will get back to you soon. So that's it. I'm sure this is extremely easy to use, and good luck.